Welcome to this changelog video roundup hosted by me, the Descript Changelog. The team came together for a 2-day hackathon in May, addressed a ton of customer requests, and raised $14,000 for the Sierra Club. There were jumpsuits. I think my invite got lost in the mail, but let's take a look at the updates anyway. Number 1. On May 14th and 15th, the whole company piled into the office and built whatever you, our users, asked for. We called it a telethon because the whole thing was streamed live and there was lots of entertainment, but the team worked hard and it shows. 70 bugs and feature requests fulfilled within 48 hours, and a donation to the Sierra Club. Here's a little sampling of what we did. Transitions now remember your last used settings. We added an option to restore the classic color theme. You can have an always-on credits and media minutes meter. And we added bullet points and text clips. But we're still testing and shipping the changes we made, and you'll continue to see these updates roll out over the summer. Number 2. ElevenLabs V3 speakers can now take inline tone direction. Place your cursor in the transcript, add tone and select whispers, laughs, pauses, or any custom direction you can describe in plain language. The surrounding paragraph regenerates with the new tone applied. You finally have a way to tell your AI speaker to sound like they mean it, just like I do.
I think my invite got lost in the mail. But let's take a look at the updates anyway.
Number 3. Underlord got 3 updates you should know about. Your chat history now persists in every project, so when you come back tomorrow, Underlord remembers what you're working on today. The new automatic review step double checks every edit Underlord makes. If it overdoes, undershoots, or wanders off the prompt, it reruns before handing back to you. And Opus 4.8 is now in the model picker. It's the newest, most brainiest model for real brain heads. Number 4. We've redesigned the effects menu in the properties panel and scene editor. There's 11 brand new effects, including portrait lighting and uplighting. These relight your video to brighten the subject, dim the background, or rescue footage you shot in a cave. We added 9 new stylized looks like ASCII, VHS, color tone, and more. Effects can be stacked and combined. We also added gradient fills for shapes and design elements for deeper customization than ever before. Number 5. The DescriptMCP Connector is now live in the Claude and ChatGPT marketplaces. Hook up the AI assistant of your choice and edit your projects through plain conversation. There's also a CLI update if you're the kind of person who lives in a terminal. Number 6. In case you're somehow hungry for more information, here's all the bugs we've fixed since the last video. That's it for this month. The telethon was a lot. I'm tired. I wasn't even there. Maybe they'll remember my address next year. I've been the Descript Changelog, and I'll see you next time.